Hello everyone, friends. You're with Assistance TV, a YouTube channel for the whole family. Today, Diamond and I will show you how to make two of the simplest parachutes so you can have a great time during the summer holidays. Just like this, right in your hands. Well then, for the first parachute we need a piece of fabric. It's better if it's synthetic fabric since it's lightweight. We take it and fold it. This way we end up with a nice square. We cut it. In my case, I ended up with a square that's about 40 by 40 centimeters. You can make any kind of parachute. Now fold it like I did and make a small cut at the top. This cut is needed so that our parachute doesn't jerk during the descent. It jerked but descended smoothly. Let's call it a guiding hole. This hole is a must, otherwise the parachute will be all over the place and won't open properly. So it turns out like this. Next you need to take 4 equal pieces of thread. It's best to use nylon thread since it's thin and strong. We tie the edges of our parachute securely with 2 knots. If you want, you can sew it. You end up with a structure like this. You need to fold it so that all the edges are close to each other. Then we pass all the lines down and trim them. You can use absolutely any weight for our parachute. I used, for example, a nut. The bigger your parachute, the heavier the weight you should use. If the weight is too light and your parachute is big, it might not open at all. So just figure everything out by trial and error. Well, for those who just don't want to mess around, I came up with a second, the simplest parachute made from a plastic bag. You take a bag, tie a rope to it, but with a little trick. You shouldn't tie it too tightly, and at a short distance, so it glides better during descent. You see, yes, how I did this. And just like that, you tie the weight to the free end. So, the tissue bag needs a load that is a little lighter than K. A rag parachute, but a parachute made of rag of fabric will fly much better. Guys, look at how to fold it. You take it 1, 2, 3, and you get this thing with your hand. 1, 2, and wrap it up. Now you can launch it freely. Look. Guys, here's the parachute we made. Of course it flies better and descends better. Just like that, right into your hands.